Hello, friends and followers. Well, here's a Drake pair. Well, not a Drake pair. This is a Drake TR4 with a Drake R4V. So really, I was after the power supply in this R4V. I really didn't care for getting another TR4 or really an R4V, but well, I ended up getting the TR4 working finally. It had some issues, and finally got the R4V working. R4V had a burned out drop down resistor for the PTO, and it had a burned out neon bulb, and I replaced that bulb, cleaned everything up. It's pretty darn nice. So this is a working TR4 RV4 combination. You plug the RV4 in the bottom of the TR4, and the RV4 has a speaker. So, and the power supply, the AC4 is in back of the RV4. So it works out pretty nicely. Anyway, here's how it sounds.
K7 Radio Alpha Tango.
This is 40 meters here.
K7 Radio Alpha Tango. K7 Radio Alpha Tango.
So you can see the lights on here. It's receiving on the PTO on the RV4.
K7 Radio Alpha
You can
Tango.
switch that, and if a light moves over here, which it did, now we're on the TR4 for receiving anyway. So it says transmit. So this one will have transmit, this one will receive. So this VFO will have transmit frequency, this is receive frequency. So anyway, with these two, you can do a split operation using the RV4 and using the TR4. I guess it's the old-fashioned way in the late 60s of doing a split operation. So it's kind of cool. I mean, you can run it on transmit only, you can run it on receive transmit for both, receive only, or you can turn it off. So that's how it goes. Kind of cool. Anyway, that's my little tour of the RV4 and the TR4. There's a contest going on right now, so we can listen in on that, see how it's going. I guess we'll receive on the receive on this one here on TR4. See what's happening. That's 40 meters. Let's try 80 here real quick.
I don't think it's time. Not even thinking around the right.
Like, no. Where's a good,
Sa 756 Pro 3 at nainis ako kasi sira pala yung mic so ni-repair ko pa. Hello?
Code 0, Ludicrous, A3 Delta November Echo, check 71, South County.
May power sa memory, parang ganun eh.
Tango Radio, Kilo 5, Tokyo Radio. Romeo, Norway again?
Not very many houses, and I know all the people.
Oh yeah, I moved over here, oh gosh, in what, 87, and then I've been here ever since. One of my daughters goes to school, not grow up in the ghetto like I did.
Yeah, it's nice here on the island. I had to go to town, Railwood. Mind you, it used to be a real small town. I went there to...
Germany 5, Victor Kilo. Check 72, North Texas.
Roger, Roger, thank you.
You are number 168, Alpha, Kilo 6, Tango Lima Hotel. Check 19, Orange, Oscar Romeo Golf. Alright, nice signal for Orange, 73. Yours is Sweepstakes, Kilo 6, Oscar Yankee. Kilo 6, Sierra Charlie.
Anyway, that's my little tour of the TR4 here with the matching R4V, which are finally working correctly. Finally got the bugs out of this thing, got the little light working here so I can replace this bulb today. It's a pain to get in there and replace the NE2 bulb, but you know, I mean, what's it worth if the bulb doesn't work, right? It's got to work. I mean, you want to see these two bulbs doing the school bus thing, right? Like left, right, left, right, left, right. All right. I am easily entertained by technology, old technology. Have a nice day. Thanks for watching.